Kamusta guys? Welcome back to our channel.
And if you're new here, welcome! I'm Kat.
And I'm Pat, and we are the Drug Queens! We're all about drugstore and affordable beauty products.
And speaking of affordable, meron kaming i-feature today na local and affordable na lip and cheek tint. It's from
Pinay Travel Diaries. So, if you want to know more about them,
and kung anong shade yung aming marirecommend for morena and fair skin, then please keep on watching!
alright, so we have a total of 6 lip and cheek tint. Ito siya guys.
Tapos ang cute ng kanilang mga packaging names kasi sila ay inspired by Filipina nickname.
Okay. First stop natin is si Kat Kat. Syempre. It's like a shade of reddish tint. The next natin is si Dang naman.
Orangey with
Bit of brown tone lang. Ginamit ni Katin sa cheeks and sobrang ganda naman talaga nung color bagay na bagay sa kanya. Alright, ang next stop natin is si Bebang. Katulad lang nung Dang, pero si Bebang mas concentrated siya sa brown. Kahit morena, kayang i-pull off yung color na yun. That's why yun ang ginamit ko sa aking cheeks. Si Mingay naman is more of
orange siya.
mukha mang red, pero orange talaga yung tone niya.
Si Shengtot yung ginamit ko for my lips dahil perfect yung kanyang pink and blue tone niya. Ang ganda niyang gawing ombre effect sa lips.
Sobrang ganda ng color payoff nung sa lips ni Kat. And last but not the least, si Coring. More of violet and brown tone. Siya yung gamit ko sa aking lips. Maganda siya for mga panggabi, gano'n. So, kahit cheek tint, pwedeng-pwede na siya sa nighttime, diba?
Ayan, so ang ganda na natin. May kulay na. Ready na tayong lumakwatsa.
Correct. Pinay Travel Diaries. So, Pinay, to travel. Diyan lang yun.
At the same time, i-wear test na rin namin siya to see if it's long-lasting.
Sama namin kayo sa paglalakwatsa namin.
And then we'll be back for the conclusion of this video.
Alright, let's go!
Sa labas na kami. And we are vlogging. Ito na talaga to. Road to vlogging. Vlogging 101.
Hindi kasi pag nilagay mo yung Liptint, papalakwat. Na kung senti ko. Wala. Okay, Starbucks.
Dunkin' Donuts. Dunkin' Donuts.
But I want milk tea. Baby, they're closed.
Close din.
I am pissed. So much.
Let's cross our fingers sa may mga bukas pa dito. Siyempre, di ba dapat ako din? Oily foods. Here we go. Ayan, nakabalik din.
Yes. Medyo naglakwatsa kami. Nagrarampa-rampa kami doon. Kasi syempre sayang ang itsura. And bakit ganon? Kat?
Bakit?
Ang ganda ng kulay pa rin.
Parang
Ilang
hindi
oras
nabawasan.
din tayo.
Umalis tayo mga 12, no?
Mm-mm.
And then it's been 5 hours na. Hindi pa rin nawala yung pagka-pink or pagka-dark ng lip tint niya. And then yung blush namin, kahit pinawis-pawisan kami, tumawid at rumampa.
Andyan pa rin. Ano ba yan?
At take note, hindi kami nag-setting spray.
Yes. Oh my gosh, nakalimutan natin mag-setting spray. Bakit ka ganyan? Alright, so to conclude this video, Kat, please do the honors first.
Okay, class. Okay, so Pinay Travel Diaries, meron silang 6 na shades. And sobrang ganda ng packaging. Yes. Aray ko. Very compact. Kasyang-kasya sa iyong makeup kit. And 180 pesos isa.
May doe foot applicator pa. So, hindi mo na siya kailangan ilagay pa sa kamay, tapos tsaka mo iganyan. Meron na, pwede ka na mag-apply sa lips and sa cheeks using this.
Yung smell,
Parang walang chemical.
organic ito, alam ko eh. Yes, they are organic.
Taste?
Wala naman. Wala
Wala.
naman siya yung parang tint taste or yung bitter
Yes,
taste.
yes.
Wala.
At hindi siya napupunta sa aming
Teeth.
teeth. So, easy to apply. Pati yun sa lips mo, mapa-full or
Or mapa-ombre.
maganda.
And kung saan nyo siya pwedeng bilhin, lahat nasa description box. So, dalaw lang kayo doon.
Okay, sobrang easy din talagang mag-order kay TTD, ano? So, message nyo lang siya sa Instagram or sa Facebook and sobrang fast response.
Yes.
Guys, I think we have a winner. Wala na kaming masabi sa products na to. Sobrang speechless kami. And again, thank you po sa pag-send ng products na ito.
Sobrang love namin sila. Actually, we're using it every day. Ang kinagandahan din kasi sa lip tint nito is pwede siya for fresh lang, yung everyday look, and pwede rin siya for night look actually, for party looks, ganun. Sinusupport at pinopromote natin ang local products.
And that is all for today. Thank you guys for watching.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and also follow us
On our social media accounts, our Facebook is /drugqueens12. Our Instagram is @drugthequeens. Thank you guys.
That is all for today.
And we'll see you guys next week. Bye!
Brought to you by Mind Shine Milk Tea Drink.